In a previous video, I showed you the very basic instructions of using a Dymo LetraTag label printer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to clean the printer head on a Dymo LetraTag. Every so often, we hear of a LetraTag that produces white lines through the labels, and this is what you need to do to fix that. So to start, we open up the top of the LetraTag and remove the cassette. In the top left corner you'll see just this plastic sort of brush. You can remove that and we'll come back to that in a second. So this is where the printing happens. You have the printer head up here at the top, and then just underneath it there's a rubber roller, and as you shut the lid that printer head will make contact with this part of the label. Ultimately, that's what makes it print. Okay, so we get the soft part of our brush and we just do a quick few rubs on the printer head. Insert our cassette, put our little brush back. Switch it on, and then that will print just fine.